base dimension is 120 by 80, thickness is 15 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select your model, units is millimeter. Here if you want, you can change the name here and you can change the location also. So I will go with the same. Select extrude, select the plane, select rectangle, here select from center rectangle, give the dimension 120, press enter, 80, press enter. So finish sketch, thickness we want 15 mm. Okay. Next you can see side there is a one flange, that dimension is 50 from the top and diameter 80 and 30 mm. Thickness is 15 mm. For that select extrude again, select this surface, create one rectangle first, here select by 2 points rectangle, create one circle here, dia 80, one more circle is dia 30 mm. Select here quick trim, trim the unwanted lines. Now give the dimension, this height is 50 minus 15 mm. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Here extrude, reverse extrude. Here select unite. Okay. So now we can mirror this flange. Select extrude, mirror feature, select mirror plane, select center plane. Okay. Next select extrude again, here select any one top surface or bottom plane, create two circles, 80, one more is 60, so finish sketch, extrude up to 30 mm. Okay. For ISO view, you can press the hand button. Next, there is a one circle, extrude, select this surface, create dia 30 circle, finish sketch. Here reverse the direction, select here subtract. Okay. So now we can assign the material. Select menu, select here edit, object display, select the entire body. Okay. Here select color, so this is, we can change the color, select this one, whichever you want you can select here. Okay. Okay, so now we can see color has changed. Next, go to tools, materials, assign material. So here you can see there are industrial standard materials. As per your requirements, you can assign the material here. So I will go with aluminum 6061. Select the entire body. Okay.
Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Here select model, unit is millimeter. Here you can change the part name and location. I will save my desktop. Okay. You can see the base dimension is 110/75, thickness is 25 mm. Select extrude, select the plane, select rectangle, give the dimension 110, enter, 75, enter. Finish sketch, extrude up to 25 mm. Just press the middle roller button, it will take exit button from the commands. Next select extrude again, select this surface, select here 2-point rectangle, give the dimension 20 mm. Finish sketch, extrude up to height is 80 mm. Next there is a chamfer. For that here select chamfer, symmetric, dimension we required 18 mm. Select the edges. Okay. Next there is a rib. For that go to rib command, select the plane here, create line, give the dimension, this is 75 mm. This is 50 mm. Okay. Finish sketch. Rib thickness we want 15 mm. Here symmetric. Okay. Next here there is a one cutout. Select extrude. Select this surface. Select line, create sketch like this, give the dimensions 35 mm, height is 14 and 60 degree. First give the degree here 60 degree. Here also give 60 degree. This height is 14 mm and this length is 35 mm. Next select this point and this point. (75/2). So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Here select, subtract, reverse the direction. Here we can select through all or until next. For ISO view, we can press end button in the keyboard. Go to menu, select here insert, or go to tools first, material, assign material. Here assign the material as per your requirements. There are all standard materials. I will assign steel. Select the entire body. Okay. Now go to menu again, edit, go to object display, select entire body. Okay. Here select color. So we can change the color as per your requirements. So like this color will change. The base dimension is 200 by 125, height is 50 mm. Select new, select model, units millimeter. If you want, you can change the name here. I will save my desktop. Okay. Select extrude, select the plane, select rectangle, select center rectangle, 125, enter 200. Finish sketch, extrude up to 50 mm. Okay. Next there is one more flange, that height is 35 mm, R 35, and one more circle dia 40. Select this surface, select extrude, select this surface, select circle, create dia 70 circle, height is 35 mm, this is also 35. Select line, create one more line, select trim, trim the unwanted lines, select circle, create dia 40 circle. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, extrude up to 50 mm, reverse the direction. Here select unite. Okay.
Next there is a 30 mm rib. Here go to more, select rib, select this surface, select line, create one line, give the dimension here to here 70. Finish sketch. So here both sides symmetric is there, we required only one side. Reverse this 30 mm. Okay. Next there is a cutout, center of the part, 40 mm cutout. Select extrude, select this plane, select line, give the dimension, mm. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Here select subtract, select here symmetric, give 20 mm. Okay. Next here also one cutout is there, select extrude, select this surface. The cutout dimension is 75 and height 25, from the side also 25 mm. Select rectangle, select here by 2 points rectangle. Height is 25, this is 75, this is also 75, 25 sorry. Okay, finish sketch. So here select subtract, reverse the direction. So here we can select until selected, select this surface. Click OK. So that's it, friends. So you can verify all the features are completed. So next assign the material, go to menu, here go tools, in the tools material, assign material, assign the material here, which material you want. I will go with aluminum. Okay. Next we can change the color here. Select edit, object display, select the entire body. Okay. Select this color, so you can assign which color you want. Click OK. So which color you want to assign. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you like this session, and also once again requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thanks for watching this session, friends.